Hi everyone. In the series of medical microbiology MCQs, now we are going to see series 2 in which we will cover from 21 question to 40th. So let's begin. 21. Which of the following is a true statement regarding purified protein derivative, that is PPD, used in tuberculin test? Options are A. Prepared from tubercle bacilli. B. It is inferior to old tuberculin. C. Consists of filtrate of glycerol broth. D. None of this. So obviously the answer is prepared from tubercle bacilli. 22nd, saline is given a person suffering with cholera because options are A. It causes lysis of bacterial cell wall. B. Cholera results in severe diarrhea leading to loss of salts. C. Both A and B. D. Saline helps to produce antibodies. The answer is cholera results in severe diarrhea leading to loss of salts. 23rd, Montauk's test is a skin test used for screening of dash. Options are A. Leprosy, B. Hepatitis, C. AIDS, D. Tuberculosis. So obviously the answer will be tuberculosis. 24. A non-communicable disease is. A non-communicable disease is. Options are A. Measles, B. Rabies, C. Diphtheria, D. Diabetes. The answer is going to be of non-communicable disease is diabetes. Diabetes cannot be transferred from one person to the other person. 25. Staphylococcus is differentiated with streptococcus by which biochemical reaction? Options are catalase, B. Indole test, C. Motility test, D. Coagulase test. And the answer is going to be of catalase test. 26. All are STD except. What is meant by STD? Sexually transmitted diseases except. Options are A. Hepatitis A, B. Syphilis, C. Gonorrhea, D. AIDS. So in the following, all are STD, sexually transmitted disease except one. That is obviously hepatitis A because it's a waterborne, food and waterborne disease. 27. Antigenic variation is most extensive in. Options are A. Influenza virus, B. Smallpox virus, C. Measles virus, D. Herpes virus. So obviously the answer is the influenza virus because this is a repeated question. 28. The following are used for the preservation of virus except. The following are used for the preservation of virus except. Options are A. Freezing, B. Lyophilization, C. Ether, D. Formaldehyde. So the answer is going to be the ether. The following are used for the preservation of virus except, that means the ether is not going to be used for the preservation purpose of virus. Okay. Next, 29. Which component lack in human milk? Options are IgA, that is immunoglobulin A, B. Calcium, C. Protein, D. Vitamin D. Obviously the answer will be vitamin D component is absent in human milk. 30. Which type of hepatitis spread through fecal oral route? So there are different types of hepatitis like hepatitis A, B, C, like that. So they are asking which type is going to spread through the fecal route contamination. That is hepatitis C, hepatitis B, hepatitis E and hepatitis D. Which one is going to give? The answer is hepatitis E. Here, the hepatitis E virus is found mainly in the underdeveloped areas of the world and is spread by the fecal oral route, whereas the other all going to be of because of serum spread. That means the serum is going to the one which is responsible of transmitting this one. 31. AIDS disease is caused by a virus which belongs to. AIDS disease is caused by a virus which belongs to A. Retrovirus group, B. Rhabdovirus group, C. Hepatitis virus group, D. Adenovirus group. So obviously the answer will be retrovirus. The viruses are going to be classified depending upon their genetic material. So the virus which are going to have the reverse transcriptase enzyme were mainly classified under the retrovirus group. So AIDS is going to have that reverse transcriptase enzyme. So HIV is one which was included in the retrovirus group, which causes the disease called as AIDS. 32. The smallpox vaccine was first discovered by. Options are A. Robert Koch, B. Louis Pasteur, C. Lister, and D is the Edward Jenner. Obviously, the answer is Edward Jenner. 33. Patients suffering from AIDS have following immune abnormalities. Options are A. Decreased CD4 plus T cells, B. Increased CD8 T cells, C. Hypergammaglobulinemia, D. CD4 or CD8 ratio greater than 21. E. Both B and D. The answer is both B and D. That means the increased CD8 T cells as well as the ratio of the CD4 and CD8 is going to be greater than 21. So this is the patient suffering from AIDS is going to have the immune abnormalities is these two. 34. Corynebacterium diphtheria granules is stained with. Options are A. Gill-Nielsen staining, that is Jeden staining, B. Oramine stain, C. Gram stain, D. Albert stain. So option is going to be the Albert stain, which gives the black color. 35. Malaria is which type of infection? Options are A. Is it a bacterial infection or a fungal, viral or protozoal? So obviously it is protozoal. 36. Bile salt accumulation causes. Options are A. Pruritus, B. Gout, C. Constipation, D. All. Option is pruritus. 37. Which organism causes most of the food poisoning? So here you have to remember they are asking about the most of the food poisoning. Options are A. Vibrio cholerae, B. Salmonella, C. Hepatitis A virus, D. Clostridia. All are food poisoning only, but they are asking the most of the food poisoning, not foodborne diseases, food poisoning. So the poison is related to Salmonella, most of the food poisoning. 38. Which of the following vaccine is stored in the freezer compartment? Options are A. TT, B. DPT, C. Measles, D. Typhoid. So freezer compartment stored vaccine is measles. 39. Which infection is diagnosed with Paul Burnett test? Options are A. Infectious mononucleosis, B. Rheumatic fever, C. Arthritis, D. TB. So obviously the answer is infectious mononucleosis. 40. Which of the following is a bacterial disease? Options are A. Anthrax, B. Mumps, C. Measles, D. Hepatitis B. So if you see the last three, that is mumps, measles and the hepatitis 3 are going to be the viral infection. So the rest of the thing is a anthrax, which is caused by Bacillus anthracis bacteria. So that's all about the series 2. In the series 3, we are going to discuss from 41 to 60 questions. Thank you.